In this tutorial, I will show you how to create your personal NFT collection, considering that many of you contacted me regarding this topic, and also NFT video is one of the most watched videos on my channel in the last month. Hello friends, welcome to the new video on the Passive Income Academy channel. My name is Boris, welcome to my channel where you can expect weekly videos on passive income methods and making money online strategies. We'll talk about affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing, CPA marketing, NFTs, cryptocurrencies, forex trading, and investing in index funds and shares of companies. If this is the content you are interested in, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are soon introducing a membership option where you will have the opportunity to get access to our private stock portfolio, but more about it in the upcoming videos. Today we are talking about how to create your first NFT collection on the OpenSea. As I said in the intro, today I will show you step by step how to create your NFT collection on OpenSea. I will create my own collection for the purposes of this video and will cover every single important detail. The first thing you want to do is go to the OpenSea website. If you haven't heard of this website, it's your NFT marketplace. When you go to the website, you need to link your MetaMask wallet. The video in which I explained in detail how to open MetaMask wallet will leave you pinned in the first comment of this video, so you can watch it if you haven't already. So, when you connect your wallet, you will click on your avatar in the upper right corner and select the My Collections options. Since I opened a new account, I don't have any collections. We will click on the Create a Collection button. As you can see, we have a few things to enter. The first thing is the logo image. I will put my logo because I will make my collection that will be related to my YouTube channel, purely as an example to better understand every detail of this process. The next thing you need to enter is featured image. This is a very important segment because the image you insert here will be displayed on the OpenSea homepage, categories, or any other promotional places on the OpenSea website. As you can see, the recommended dimension is 600 by 400, and my recommendation is to go to some photo editor like Canva, enter the dimensions and create your featured image. Then we have a banner image with dimensions of 1400 pixels by 400. It's an image that will be displayed as a banner when people click on your NFT collection anywhere on the OpenSea. Our recommendation is to avoid too much text, to be one cool artwork, and this is definitely a segment you don't want to miss when creating your NFT collection. The next thing you need to do is enter the name of your collection. A lot of names have already been taken, so if you want to create an NFT collection that looks like already existing ones, do it as soon as possible. For video purposes, I will enter my YouTube channel name. Then we have a custom URL where we will enter a custom suffix for our URL that will represent our collection. This is a very important part because every time someone shares a link to your collection, you want it to look representative. As for the description of the collection, it's also one of the most important details that you should pay attention. You don't want to make too long descriptions, but neither too short. Some optimal length of the description is 2 to 3 sentences. Don't forget to assign a category to your collection because OpenSea likes to rank new collections by category and you definitely don't want to skip this step. The next thing you want to do is enter your links. A huge advantage of every NFT project is if it has a professionally done website that explains the roadmap of the project, presents the team, and the very idea of the NFT project. What is good to have is Discord and Twitter account because the world of NFTs and cryptocurrencies lives on Twitter and Discord. Now we come to the part which you probably didn't know, and that is royalties. Since your NFT project will be on the blockchain forever, you want to define the fee you will receive each time one person sells your NFT to another person. The highest possible value is 10% and some average is between 3 and 5%. Below you will enter the address of the wallet where you will be paid for your royalties from each sale of your NFT item. Just before the end, we come to the choice of the blockchain. We have Ethereum and Polygon. Why is Polygon good? Well, you just don't have high gas fees like Ethereum blockchain, and that's a great thing because no customer likes such high transaction costs, especially in the world of NFTs. The advantage of Ethereum is that most of the largest projects are set up on Ethereum blockchain. You will also enter payment tokens depending on which blockchain you choose, and my suggestion is to enter everything. Finally, select display theme. You can leave the default selection. Now that we created the NFT collection, it's time to enter your NFT items as well. When you come back to My Collections, we see that we have 0 items. You will simply add the item when you click the Add Item button in the upper right corner. Why is it better to add an item here than from the Create section? Because here we have most of the things already preset thanks to the fact that you're already in the existing collection. So all you need to enter here is a picture of your item, and also, like the collections, you can customize link. And here the description of the item you want to be more detailed than the description of the collection itself. Then you have properties. Most NFT collections have a lot of different variations and will have different types of properties, levels and statuses. But you don't have to add all of these if you don't need them for your NFT collection. If you want your content to be unlocked, turn on the unlockable content option. And of course, if your NFT is a collection of explicit content, you will check this option as well. In the end, we have the most important thing, and that is how many copies like this you want to have. Enter a number and click the Create button. When we go back to the profile and look at the NFT collection, now we will see one item and you can sell it by clicking the Sell button. A new window will open in which you can enter the amount of existing copies, as much as you want to sell, several or all, it's up to you. You will also enter the price for the item and define the time period for which NFT item will be available for purchase on the OpenSea marketplace. Also, you have the option to reserve an item for a specific customer. Finally, you will click Complete Listing and complete the process. You may have thought the whole process was more complicated, but it's not. Our recommendation is to create your NFT collection by all means. Start building a community on Twitter and Discord, and of course, create your own website. Be creative, come up with a story behind the project, and if you have a design idea and don't know how to implement it, you can go to the Fiverr and hire a designer to make a collection of 10,000 items according to your vision. That would be all for this amazing video. In the upcoming videos, we will talk about new different ways and strategies to make money online working from your home. Thanks everyone who watched this video. This is the beginning of an interesting and exciting adventure. If you want to be a part of it, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and smash the like button, because that way we will reach more people and help the YouTube algorithm to rank our video. Also make sure to turn on the notification bell, because that way I can send you a notification every time I upload a brand new awesome strategy like this one, so you won't miss out. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, because once we reach 1000 followers, I will be giving away $100 PayPal giveaway money. Until the next video, big greetings from our YouTube channel. Cheers!